DFW Honda in Grapevine, Texas is giving away this 2025 Honda Goldwing Tour.
This video is sponsored by Goldstrike, the leader in Goldwing accessories, and by DFW Honda, your powerhouse Honda dealership in Grapevine, Texas.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Cruiseman's Garage. Today we're going to talk a little bit more about this 50th anniversary Honda Goldwing Tour. And we're going to talk about some of the aftermarket products that were installed on this motorcycle. So for whoever is lucky enough to win this motorcycle, it is a random drawing. And I will put links in the description of this video so that you can register if you'd like a chance to win this motorcycle. Not only are you getting the motorcycle, you're getting a whole bunch of cool aftermarket accessories that are already added on. So let me go over today. We're going to talk about all the products that I added from Goldstrike, which is also one of the sponsors of this drawing. And they basically donated the products that we're talking about today. And then I, had the bike here at Cruiseman's Garage to install these accessories. One of the very first products that I installed on this motorcycle from Goldstrike were these Panavista rear view mirrors. Now these are really interesting. They do stick out a little farther, but they do give you 5 square inches more visibility. They're sort of a convex shape, and they really do give you a wider field of view as you're going down the road. But what's really nice about these is they have integrated an LED turn signal, a sequential LED turn signal into the mirror. Now that's really important when traffic is coming up, especially beside you. Say they're sort of in your blind spot. Maybe they can't see the turn signal. You're about to change lanes. Perhaps they can't see your turn signal on the back of the bike. They will be able to see the turn signals in this Panavista mirror. So I think it's a real safety item as well as a convenience and comfort item because it does give you a better view of the traffic coming up behind you. I was very impressed with how Goldstrike designed the LED sequential mirrors so that to wire these up to your bike's very simple. You don't even have to run wires back under the seat like you do with some other products. They've designed a harness that basically uses the power from your front turn signals to drive these sequential LEDs. So everything is done right up here. Once you get this rear view mirror off and you install the mirrors, the wiring part is very simple. It's very elegant, and I was very impressed with how that was designed. Let's talk about the foot pegs and the highway pegs which match. These are the dual rail foot pegs that replace the factory foot pegs, and then also these dual rail highway pegs. Now these are 3-way adjustable highway pegs, and the rider foot pegs or foot rests are also adjustable. You can adjust the angle. Very, very cool. They're beautifully chrome plated, which matches all of the other chrome on this 50th anniversary Goldwing. One of the most impressive things we added from Goldstrike was this chrome LED luggage rack. Now this really fits the look of the bike. Very nicely designed, excellent chrome plating, and it has their integrated light strike LED at the back that has a running light and a brake light. So I like to have lights up as high as possible on the bike because that's more or less eye level with a car driver. The Honda Goldwing brake lights and tail lights are kind of low on the bike. I think it really needs lighting up higher, and this Goldstrike luggage rack provides that. Very nicely designed, has the nice rubber, heavy duty, thick rubber inserts so that it will protect this chrome plating. Well made, well designed, lots of cool chrome on here. Very impressed. The Goldstrike luggage rack with light strike lighting comes with everything you need in the kit except for a few basic tools. And the lighting uses their plug-and-play connectors for their lighting distribution block, so it's very simple to install. To install the luggage rack, you do need to remove the lid from your trunk on your Honda Goldwing. Now, fortunately, I have videos on my maintenance video series showing exactly how to do this and how to remove the liner from that trunk lid, which is required. But the good news is you don't have to drill any holes in the plastic to mount the Goldstrike luggage rack. It is unquestionably the easiest luggage rack I've ever installed on a Honda Goldwing. And last but not least, we added a set of the passenger armrests from Goldstrike. And what's really nice is not only do they bring this armrest out farther for additional passenger comfort, but they're equipped so that they can handle the Goldstrike accessory mounts. I believe they make a phone holder or a drink holder that can be added very easily, hangs off to the side. Very nicely done. They're kind of a thick rubber padded, very comfortable, and should add lots of creature comforts for your passenger. So as I said at the beginning of this video, DFW Honda in Grapevine, Texas is giving away this motorcycle, and you could win. So I want to thank Goldstrike for participating in this drawing by providing us with some of the cool accessories that we're adding to this motorcycle. And I told you you could register for a chance to win this bike, and I'm going to put a link in the description of this video. All you have to do is fill out that form and you're registered, and we're having the drawing on May 31st. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions, put them in the comments down below. Make sure you check the description of the video for the link so that you can register for a chance to win this 2025 50th anniversary Eternal Gold Honda Goldwing Tour DCT with all the Goldstrike stuff on it. Thanks, Goldstrike, and thanks to you for watching the video. Until next time, remember what I always say, ride often, but ride safe.